Hello everyone. Welcome to Guidify. If your Epic Games launcher is running slowly, freezing, or not working properly, clearing the launcher cache can often fix these issues. In this video, I'll show you how to do it. Let's get started. Close the Epic Games launcher. Open the Windows search. Search for Run. Open the Run app. Type %localapp. Click OK. Open the Epic Games Launcher folder. Open the Save folder. Find the webcache folder. Delete the webcache folder. If you see webcache_4430 or another webcache folder, delete those as well. These folders only store temporary cache files. Your games and account will not be affected. Close File Explorer. Open the Epic Games Launcher again. The launcher will automatically create a new cache. It may take a little longer to open the first time. That's normal. That's it. Your Epic Games Launcher cache has now been cleared. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to Guidify for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.